Come here, my dear. Okay, this is a property on 1705 Robin. Tell me about the information, the square foot and
The
stuff like
square footage is 1,290. The price is $985,000. The exchange price is $80,000. The rent comps is $995, and the property age is 1994.
Yeah, built 1994.
Yes.
It's like about 16 years. The neighborhood is very nice. It's all newer houses, 15 years old. When the economy was bad, actually, they built this place. 1995 economy was bad, but maybe not in Las Vegas. Okay, let's go inside. How much you said it was? Not bad. Association doesn't have association?
Yeah, I'm sure it probably does. But,
It does? You
I
think?
don't know what it is, though. I imagine it.
Monica, can you put a question mark that association? We find out how much the association is. Someone left a remote control here. A nice, cozy kitchen. Living area, dining room, and kitchen. I was in Costa Rica 2 years ago. Something like this in Costa Rica was about $200,000.
Yeah, we know some people down there.
And bad area, and not a good area. I mean, this so-so area. I mean, here is right now is cheaper than Bangladesh. Did you know that, United States? They did a good job of remodeling. They did a decent job of remodeling.
But this is the building 1994.
Yeah, but still, they changed the ties. They did some stuff. Probably, maybe it was from there.
There was a door in the kitchen that went to the garage.
Oh yeah.
There's a pretty big garage.
Yeah, don't worry. This is okay.
Decent sized lot.
Okay, and this is Mr. Nozar with us. So this is we keep it as a memory
Not
that
this
we
trip,
had
no?
the honor to be with Mr. Nozar
Thank you so much.
and coming to Las Vegas with me. Same thing. Monica is here. And nice gentleman that's showing you all the houses.